Welcome to my food channel. It's your girl Betty, where you can find inspiration for low-carb and keto-friendly meals, healthy nutrition, easy recipes. Yeah, y'all, it's carblessly delicious. Delicious butternut squash, y'all. The perfect alternative for you candy yams and sweet potato lovers out there who desire to cut down those carbs. Here you have it. I'm going to show you how to cook your butternut squash to actually trick those taste buds into believing you are eating the real deal, honey. So let's get started. Okay, you see here how I cut my cubes as close as possible into equal sizes. This will allow your squash to cook evenly at the same pace. And now I'm going to spice them up the same way I do my candied yams with the Truvia brown sugar, sweeteners, cinnamon, nutmeg, and pure butter, y'all. I like to take all my spices and mix them all together and sprinkle them so that it will flavor your squash evenly throughout. So go ahead, that's a nice tip. Try it for yourself, y'all. This way you won't have one section having more cinnamon or brown sugar than another section. Honey, it's going to be flavored all over. After you thoroughly stirred in all your spices, we're going to go ahead and cover it and let it simmer. And here you have it, baby. Go ahead and let all those spices caramelize. It's going to create its own juicy caramelization until it gets nice and tender, y'all. Ooh, I am telling you, it's gonna set off your meal, the perfect addition. I'm plating mine with my cauliflower mac and cheese, barbecue chicken, collard greens, and my keto cornbread, y'all. Good and delicious. And this wraps up the video, y'all. Thank you for watching, all my lovely people. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Show your girl some love. Also, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if this is your first time watching one of my videos, so you could be notified every time I upload tasty inspirations like this. And for those returning, I appreciate you so much for your continued support for this channel. It's because of you all that I am inspired to create videos like this, so we can all journey together to healthier lifestyles. So thank you for tuning in to Carblessly Delicious. And I invite you to visit my website, carblesslydelicious.com, for more recipes like this. Until next time, my lovely people, God bless you.